Hello everyone, welcome to MDS Phonetics. Decide, Commit, Succeed. In this oral pathology lecture series, we will going to cover oral pathology topics which are difficult to understand and difficult to memorize. And this lecture series will mostly be NEET oriented one, so we will be covering those topics which are important for the NEET. So those preparing for the NEET MDS 2020, they can join our free initiative from the MDS Phonetics by joining the Telegram channel MDS Phonetics NEET 2020. So in this one we will going to cover each subject with each topic wise, and daily quiz will be provided in the Telegram channel, and the reference books and e-notes will also be provided, and the e-notes will mainly based on the difficult concepts and the difficult topics. There will be doubt clearance 24/7 on Telegram and also on the WhatsApp. You can just contact us on WhatsApp by these numbers 9963410943 and 9440507564. So this is our free initiative, and we will guide you the entire 1 year till NEET MDS 2020 exam. So coming to this lecture series, we will make short videos ranging from 5 to 10 minutes on the important topics and the concepts, so you can gather knowledge in these short videos within a short range of time. And for these short videos, you just subscribe to our YouTube channel MDS Phonetics. So as said earlier, there will be short videos ranging from 5 to 10 minutes, and they will be covering the NEET oriented topics, and references will be taken from the standard textbooks. And for the easy understanding and the memorize for difficult concepts and the topics, we will provide a pictorial explanation so that it will be easy for each and everyone to understand. And when coming to the competitive exams like NEET MDS and AIMS, first we have to understand the concepts and the key points of a particular topic. So whenever an MCQ is framed from any topic, when you understand the concept, you will be easy to score high marks even if the MCQ is framed in a different manner, in a difficult manner also. So mainly this lecture series will be based on understanding the concepts and the key points in a pictorial manner and also easy to memorize manner. So any doubts on your NEET preparation, join our Telegram channel. It is a free and complete guidance till your NEET MDS exam 2020. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our MDS Phonetics YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is updated in our lecture series. You can also like our Facebook page for our regular updates and the Instagram page. So join our Telegram channel MDS Phonetics NEET 2020 and contact us on WhatsApp numbers, that is 9996341043 and 9440507564. MDS Phonetics is ready to provide free initiatives more and more. Just like, subscribe and share this video for more response.